Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove exercise from Myfitnesspal application in your phone or PCs. So, first of all, and as always, make sure to, if you are using your phone, go ahead to My Pal in your phones, or else just go to your PC and open any kind of browser and search for MyFitnessPal. So, as you can see here, that is the web page. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on exercises. And here I will try to add a new exercise. So let me go to my exercises, for example, and let's create a new one, for example. So it's gonna be something like cardio, cardiovascular, and we can make it like 20 minutes and calories burned around like 35. So something like that. Now, what I'm going to do is click on add, and here we go. Okay, I need to rename it. So something like that will do the job. And here it is. Now, as you can see, it is on our exercise diary. Has been added here. If you go to, for example, database, you can find it somewhere, not in database, wait, my exercises. You can find it in here. You can edit it, you can do whatever you'd like. But let's say that you want to remove it from your exercises diary. You can just go ahead and click on this red circle. So here we go. And it has been deleted. Let's say, for example, you wanted to delete it permanently, like even from your exercises template, which is from here. So matching exercises. So you can just go and click on it, and instead of like editing it or doing something to it, you can just go ahead into here, the delete button, and then delete it just like so. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.